Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Story Girls.
And welcome back to Style Selected. This is a makeover show where Kelsey and I come up with different designs for a room, and the owner of the room has to decide which design they like the best.
And we are so grateful that this video is sponsored by Crayola, so make sure you stay tuned to see us do some DIYs with their new Take Note line.
Okay, I'm really excited to bring this to life, but we want to keep it a surprise, so I think we'll say bye to you now, and then next time we see you, it'll be to show you your new room.
Okay, let's get to painting.
Oh yeah,
I like that. It is pretty.
I like it. I really wanted to make sure that Emily's room was A, stylish, and B, still really functional for someone that is still in high school. As you know, Crayola is our lovely sponsor for today's video, so I'm going to be using their Take Note Dry Erase paint to hack a minimalist picture frame into a dry erase whiteboard. It's time to move on to her serene, study space, so let's bring in those desks. Wow. Giant desk who?
Giant desk Emily.
Cool. So next I'm going to be making this super pretty DIY desktop calendar using more of the Crayola Take Note line. Okay, now on to honestly the most exciting part of this DIY. We all remember using Crayola as kids, but I love that they have this new line which makes it so easy for us to use now as adults. So once all of the months are done, I'm now displaying it on this super cute mini easel.
Now that the study space is complete, I'm going to start working on a relax and recharge area for Emily. With Crayola's new washable gel pens, I'm going to be personalizing her notebook. This cozy bench and mini table is a perfect bullet journaling spot. I'm also going to personalize some of her pots for her new plant friends with the help of Crayola's permanent markers, and I haven't colored like this in what feels like forever. It's so zen. I forgot how soothing it is, and this definitely feels like Crayola, but for adults.
Ah, it looks so good!
All right, a countdown in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! To see how the complete room turned out, as well as some more DIY and decor tips and hacks, make sure you swing by youtube.com/thestorygirls to watch the full video. See you there!